is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, so soft and small. D is for dog, who loves to call. E is for elephant, big and strong. Come sing with me and dance along. F is for fish, swimming so free. G is for giraffe, as tall as can be. H is for house with a big red door. I is for ice cream, we all want more. J is for jam, so sticky and sweet. Learning letters is such a treat. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for orange, juicy and round. Say the letters, make a sound. P is for parrot, colorful and bright. Q is for queen, with a crown so light. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. S is for sun, shining bright at last. T is for train, chugging on the track. Let's keep going, no turning back. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, making melody. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, running along.
A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for frog, G for giraffe, giraffe. H for horse, horse. I for eagle, eagle. J for jeep, jeep. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for penguin, penguin. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sun, sun. T for truck, truck. U for unicorn, unicorn. V for violin, violin. W for water, whale. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yo. Z for zebra, zebra.
A is for apple, apple. A, apple. B is for baby, baby. B, baby. C is for candy, candy. C, candy. D is for diamond, diamond. D, diamond. E is for elephant, elephant. E, elephant. F is for fairy, fairy. F, fairy. G is for glasses, glasses. G, glasses. H is for hand, hand. H, hand. I is for K2, E2. I, blue. J is for jelly, jelly. Jelly. K is for keyboard, K, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. L, ladybug. M is for monkey, 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 and monkey. N is for needle, 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 and needle. O is for orange, 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 orange. P is for pony, 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 P, pony. Q is for cream, 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 Q, cream. R is for rainbow, 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 R, rainbow. S is for spider, 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 X, spider. T is for tiger, 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 T, tiger. U is for umbrella, 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 U, umbrella. V is for violin, 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 V, violin. W is whale, 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 W, whale. X is for xylophone, 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 X, xylophone. Y is for zozo, 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 Y, zozo. Z is for zebra, 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 Z, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Come gather round and let's explore a world of magic, myths and lore, with letters glowing, shining bright. A is for apple, golden and bright. B is for balloon, floating up high. C is for cat, with a wizard's hat. D is for dragon, friendly and grand. E is for elf, casting spells with delight. F is for fairy, wings sparkling so true. G is for giraffe, with a tiny crown. H is for horse, with a golden mane. I is for ice castle, glimmering white. J is for jewel, sparkling so bold. K is for king, so noble and wise. L is for lamp, with a genie inside. M is for mermaid in water so deep. N is for nest with eggs of gold. O is for owl, wise and grand. P is for Pegasus, flying so high. Q is for queen, so gentle and fair. R is for rainbow, treasure below. S is for star, twinkling bright. T is for tower, ivy wrapped tall. U is for unicorn, dancing so free. V is for violin, playing a tune. W is for wizard, with a glowing staff. X is for xylophone, playing so neat. Y is for yeti, twinkling white. Z is for zebra, with a golden mane. Oh, you know A to Z, the fairy tale alphabet with me. With glee, and now our journey ends.